I want to tell Madam President, my former good student, that on this one she's damn wrong.
The back and forth between the national government and human rights groups continue. At the heart of it are hundreds of Kenyans charged under the Prevention of Terrorism Act following the violent protests of June 25th and July 7. Interior Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen has pushed back on a statement released by the Law Society of Kenya indicting the state for misusing the act.
I saw the interview of the LSK president and I was surprised that she was arrogating herself the position of a judge. We have presented the evidence to court. How did she assess that it was not watertight? And how did she assess that he did not miss the threshold? That is a court process.
Murkomen, who has vehemently defended the ODPP, claims LSK President Faith Odhiambo has assumed the role of a judge in the assessment of the controversial charges.
I want to ask the LSK to concentrate on pushing for rule of law. And that rule of law includes taking suspects to court. Once they go to court, the president can either turn herself to become a defense counsel and therefore speak on behalf of the defense, but she can also speak on behalf of the people of Kenya who are suffering. I'm yet to hear LSK speak about the courts that were banned, the police stations that were banned.
LSK had also faulted the comments by Chief Justice Martha Koome, who described the banning of Kikuyu Law Court on June 25th as an act of terrorism. Amid the growing pressure, CJ Koome has released a statement today, and I quote, "My remarks when I visited the site were made in direct response to the attack on the Kikuyu Law Court and reflected the security briefing received at the time. They were specific to that incident and not meant to apply to any other protests, events, individuals or locations."
I thought the LSK will be celebrating with the police that thank you very much because you are punishing these criminals that are infiltrating process.
Further, the CS dismissed Democratic Party leader Justin Muturi, reminding him that he presided over the passing of controversial bills while serving as the Speaker to the National Assembly.
JB Muturi forget that he passed this law by hook or crook. He was sitting there when this law was passed in the National Assembly. People poured water on him, and he stood very firm that time and said, we must have a strong law, security laws that will protect the people of Kenya and protect them against the rogue characters who are performing acts of terror. I want him to perhaps jog his memory.
Meanwhile, Murkomen has revealed that police will soon make arrests of politicians in Uasin Gishu for allegedly inciting and financing violence. Timothy Simwake, 24 TV.